everyone, I am going to explain question number 1 from exercise 3.3, and this question belongs from 10th class maths. Here we have to check whether the following are quadratic equation. So students, one equation is given to us, we have to find out whether it's a quadratic equation or not. So first of all, I am just writing here the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this, it's a quadratic equation because here the degree of this equation is 2. Degree means highest power of the variable. So here the variables are x is the variable, and a and b are the coefficients of x square and x respectively, and c is the constant. So degree is 2. That's why this equation is named as the quadratic equation. So I hope it's clear to you. So it's very necessary that we should have x square term. If these two terms are missing, then also it's not a problem, but at least one term should be present with x square, not more than x square. So we'll start to solve this. So first, the equation which is given to us is x bracket x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 bracket x minus 2. So we'll open it. When we'll open this bracket, this x will multiply by both. So this x will multiply by this x also and by 1 also. So it's going to be x square plus x into 1 plus 8 as it is. Then when we'll open this bracket here, when we have to open the right hand side, two brackets we have to open, and just see the bracket, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So directly I am using the formula here. So first I am writing the formula. The formula which I am going to use is bracket a plus b and then bracket a minus b. Its answer is a square minus b square. So students, here the a is x and b is 2. So a square minus b square. I hope it's clear to you. It's in the form of a plus b, a minus b, and the a plus b, a minus b's formula is a square minus b square. So here a is x, so x square minus b is 2, so 2 square. And here I open the bracket. So when we open the bracket, this x will multiply by both, once by x and second time by 1. So we obtain like this. Now further we will simplify it. So we will get here this x square as it is, x into 1 is x plus 8, and here we will get x square minus 4. Now we will shift them in one side. So we will get x square plus x plus 8. Now when we will shift, sign will change. Plus x square will change to minus x square, and minus 4 will change to plus 4. Now you can see here I shifted this x square in this side, so it got minus sign, and minus 4 when shifted it got plus sign. Now this x square and x square will cancel, and we are remain with x, then plus 8 and plus 4, it is plus 12. So we are going to get here this x square will cancel by x square. Now what we are remain with, x plus 12 equal to 0. So here students, we can see that the degree of this equation is only 1. So it's not a quadratic equation. So we write here, since degree of equation is 1, so given equation is not quadratic equation. So first part is completed. So I hope it's clear to you. In the same way, we will solve the second part also. So the second part of the same question is, we have to find out the given equation is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. So to solve this, first we have to open the bracket. First I am writing the equation which is given in the question, that is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. So students, here first we have to open this x plus 2. Oh, I wrote here square. It's wrong. It's actually cube. So we'll make here cube. So x plus 2 whole cube. So we have to open it by using the formula of a plus b whole cube. So I'm writing the formula here. Then with the help of that formula, we'll open it. The formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Then further when we will open it, it's going to be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So I am going to use this formula here. So students, if any bracket is in the form of a plus b whole cube, we have to use this formula to open it. So here I opened it further. So when I will open it, 3ab, once it will multiply by a. So when 3ab multiplied by a, it will give us 3a square b. And second time plus 3ab will multiply by plus b, that will give us plus 3ab square. So in these four terms, I am going to substitute the values. So here instead of a we have x and instead of b we have 2. So instead of a cube we have to write here x cube. So we will get here x cube plus 2 cube plus 3. Now here again it's going to be 2 cube students. So x cube 2 cube plus, now here what we have 3a square b. So here I am going to write down 3a square. So a square is what? X. So we will get here 3x square multiplied by 2. So it's going to be 3x square then multiplied by 2 plus, then next what we have 3ab square. So a is x, so we will get here 3 into x into b square is 2 square. So we will get here 3x multiplied by 2 square and is equal to x cube minus 4 as it is. Now when we further solve this, we will get here x cube, 2 cube is 8 plus, now here 2 cube is 8. Now when we multiply, we will get 3 2 is 6. So 6x square, and here we will get 2 2 is 4 because 2 square is 4. So 4 3 is 12. So we are going to get here the next terms are going to be 6x square plus 12x. Now I am going to shift them here. Right terms also, that is minus x cube then plus 4 equal to 0. So what I have done in this step is this x cube I kept as it is, 2 cube is 8 and here 3 2 is 6x square, 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12x. This x cube is in plus symbol, so when we shift here it is going to be minus, and plus minus 4 we shift here, so it is going to be plus 4. Now here student, x cube will cancel by x cube, so we are remained with 6x square plus 12x and plus 12 equal to 0. So you see here, this 6x square as it is, 12x as it is, because they are alone, they don't have any other like terms. Now this 8 and this 4, this 4 and 8 will get added and we'll get here 12. So here what is the maximum power of the variable? The maximum power of variable is 2, because here power is 1 and its power is 2. Since the maximum power is 2, so degree of this equation is 2, and since degree is 2, that's why it's a quadratic equation, because it came in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it's a quadratic equation. So we write it, since degree of equation is 2, so given equation is quadratic. So second part also completed. In the same way, just complete the remaining given parts of this question number 1, and if in any parts, if you have any problem, write in the comment so that I can send you the solution. Thank you.